Fix restricted mode on YouTube has hidden comments for this video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if restricted mode on YouTube has hidden comments for this video pops up when you are trying to watch a comment. Now, this is simply because you have turned on or the restriction mode on YouTube is turned on. Now how do you fix this? It's quite simple, so let me guide you through it. Open up the YouTube app. Now here, if I open up this video here, you can see the restricted mode has hidden comments for this video popping up on the screen below. Now how do you fix this? And to fix this, all you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and then here head into settings. Now once on settings, on the first option general, open it, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option restricted mode. You can read under it. This helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So what you want to do is toggle this thing off and your restricted mode will be turned off. And if you head back to the YouTube app again, and then if you watch any videos, then you can read the comments, and the restricted mode has hidden comments option or notification won't pop up on your comments. So this way you can turn off or fix restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.